landed and Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Dumaguete. The time for your convenience is 56 minutes past 2 in the afternoon. And today is Thursday, February 6, 2025. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for the planing. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. Please remain seated until your phone numbers have been called upon for the planing. And for passengers who will be needing assistance such as wheelchair, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Buhawe, First Officer Dinglasan and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Muli manatiling nakaupo at nakabit ang seatbelt hanggang ang fasten seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw.